Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Musta Heard. The song is Musta Heard and the artist is our Uncle Charlie Wilson and the choreography is Brenda ZEIGLER. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, check out the choreographer and I'll post mine at the end of this video. I'm going to tell y'all guys, I'm going to cut up on this dance. This dance is a jam. It's a jam. Uncle Charlie, you can't go wrong. Let's get it. Jam, Musta Heard. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you